Let's figure out what we get when we take 20% off of $65. So if you buy something for $65 and you get 20% off, how much do you save? What's your final price? First thing, let's change 20% to a decimal. So we're going to take 20, divide it by 100, and that gives us our decimal, 0.2. So 20%, that's 0.2. We're going to take that 0.2 and we're going to multiply it by the original number. That's the $65. So 0.2 times 65, hit the equal sign, and it's 13. So we end up, when we take 20% off of $65, we get $13 off of that original price. If you want to know the final price, you take the original, that's the $65, subtract 13, and 65 minus 13, that would be $52. So that would be your final price. If you take 20% off $65, expect to pay a total of $52 out of your pocket. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.